The U.S. Air Force no longer requires new F-16s, but the aircraft remains popular globally, with significant backlogs and potential sales. The F-16 Block 70 is equipped with advanced avionics, Northrop Grumman APG-83 AESA radar, and safety features like auto GCAS. This $23 billion deal includes Service Life Extension Program, SLIP, modifications, related equipment, spares, training, and a comprehensive weapons package. Turkey is set to receive a new batch of modernized F-16 Fighting Falcons, as it signed a letter of acceptance (LOA) this month for 40 new F-16C divided by D Block 70-72 aircraft and 79 F-16V upgrade kits. The F-16 remains a highly demanded multi-role fighter, showcasing over 400,000 combat hours since its 1979 service introduction. The United States Air Force is no longer acquiring additional F-16s, but the aircraft remains quite popular with U.S. allies and partners around the world. Earlier this year, Lockheed Martin reported a backlog of 133 F-16 Block 70-72 jets, with potential for up to 300 additional sales worldwide. Advanced avionics, an extended structural service life of 12,000 hours, and critical safety features like the Automatic Ground Collision Avoidance System, Auto GCAS. Since its integration into the U.S. Air Force in late 2014, the Auto GCAS has been instrumental in saving 13 pilots across 12 F-16 incidents. Though the F-16 made its maiden flight 50 years ago this past January and entered service in the late 1970s, it has been steadily upgraded and improved. The latest variant is the Block 70, which is equipped with the Northrop Grumman APG-83 AESA radar. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has been operated by the Turkish Air Force since the late 1980s, and according to Jane's World Air Forces, Ankara's fleet consists of 174 F-16C and 58 F-16D models. The procurement for the 40 new aircraft and enhancement kits for the current fighters is valued at $23 billion. It also includes related equipment, spares, training, and support, as is a comprehensive air-to-air and air-to-surface weapons package. Today marks an important step forward in Turkey's purchase of the latest generation F-16 Block 70 fighter jets and upgrades to its existing fleet of F-16s. This is good for U.S. national security, Turkish national security, and NATO interoperability, added Jeff Flake, the U.S. ambassador to Turkey. The State Department confirmed that Ankara will receive 40 new F-16C divided by D Block 70-72 aircraft, along with 79 F-16V upgrade kits for its existing fleet of F-16C divided by D Block 40 and Block 550 aircraft. Just the latest example of U.S. enduring commitment to security partnership with Turkey. The Political Military Affairs Office at the U.S. In January, the United States approved the transfer of the F-16 Fighting Falcons, now produced by aerospace and defense giant Lockheed Martin. NATO ally Turkey is one step closer to receiving a new batch of modernized F-16 Fighting Falcons. U.S. proud to announce today a major step forward in Turkey's purchase of new F-16 Block 70 fighter jets, the most advanced F-16 ever made, available only to closest allies and partners. Turkey advances in acquiring modernized F-16 Block 70 fighter jets.